Hi everyone, today I'm going to share how I make my vegan scrambled egg. Now the name tells you it is vegan, so it doesn't really have any egg. Instead it uses firm tofu as a substitute. The best part of this recipe is that it doesn't have any cholesterol. You need 4 basic ingredients: chives, tomato, half of a small onion, and half a block of firm tofu. First, you just need to chop up your onion, set aside. And chop your tofu into small blocks. Next, finely chop the chives. And cut up a few slices of tomato. One of the most important ingredients in this recipe is nutritional yeast. It gives you a nutty, cheesy, savory flavor. Nutritional yeast is not the same as your baking yeast because they are inactive. Now you don't need a whole lot of it, you just need 2 teaspoons of it. The best part of nutritional yeast is that it can provide vitamins that are often insufficient in people that are on vegan diet. Now you just need to mix in your yeast, smash it up with the tofu. Just like that. After you prep all your ingredients, then you just need to put everything into a pan and cook it. Cook your onion into translucent. And in the tofu. After you stir fry a little bit, you can add some pepper, salt, and half of a teaspoon garlic powder. You don't need a whole lot of salt because the nutritional yeast does give you some salty, savory taste. And stir it up. I have some big chunks of tofu, so I try to mash up with my chopsticks. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to cook it, only about 5 minutes or so. Toward the end, you can mix in the chives. And basically you can turn off the heat at this time. And now it is ready. The few pieces of tomato can be used as a garnish. So it is kind of optional, but it does look better with some red color on the plate. I hope you like the recipe.